Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows update error 0x80070103. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the Windows update error 0x80070103 on your Windows PC, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then search for troubleshoot setting. Click on troubleshoot setting. In right section you can see here other troubleshooters. Just click on that. Below you will find Windows update. Just click on the run, and you need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window and close this window, and again you need to click on the start menu. And check whether the problem is fixed or not. If not, then click on the start menu, then try the second method. Type here cmd. You can see at command prompt, just right click on that and click on run as administrator and click on yes. Here you need to type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. It will take some time to complete this process. Guys, after completion of this process, just close this window and restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows update error 0x80070103 on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.